Hey folks, Jack 'em in now here on a Monday afternoon. If I can get a walk in before the thunderstorms start. They did a good job fixing this field back up. See if it lasts. Get. I think a lot of folks have pretty much just salvaged what they could out of some of the fields. Like these over here. They just harvested what they could out of here. Doing the typical moving their cows and water buffalo over to the fields that have already been harvested. See the bags of rice here. Hey. Supposed to get showers from like 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock tonight. See if you can believe the weather. If you can believe the weather. Another one over here. Moved all the water buffalo. You can hear it thunder off in the distance. Not gone that far, so we have to move at a quick clip here. You got no signs of your paw hurting today, huh? Yeah, Haru yesterday. He didn't want to go for a walk yesterday because he had a bad paw. Looks fine today though. Come on. Come on. Hey. Hello. Uh-oh, now they noticed us. Come on. Hurry. Hurry. Oh, these walks are dangerous sometimes. Especially when you don't have your kids with sticks. So I like to have 2 or 3 kids with sticks with us. Can't see them all coming behind us. Oh, good afternoon. Hello. Hello. Bye-bye. Closing in on us. From the storm.
Uban biyak imo nang uban nga kamo sa suki man ta. Bila ni kapan? It's a beautiful dog.
Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah. Oh, it was running. It was running. Think I've ever saw him run before. It's like they're running to mommy. We've got two babies over there. Oh, I don't know about babies. They're pretty big suckers. Pretty big babies. One, two, three, four. 5 of them in that field. Getting their share. Looks like we will beat the rain. We will beat the rain. All right. Here comes the wind too. I don't know. Hopefully we'll beat the rain. We've got about 5 more minutes. Wait. Wait. Heidi, come on. Come on, Heidi. I'll take you for a short walk. How's that? Come on. He's 8. Haru, come here. You sneaky. We saw that guy there. Haru made it back out of the gate. You know anything about Siberian Huskies? You know they love to run when given a chance. He's actually pretty good. Last one we had would have been 300 yards down the road by now. See the cow? Hmm? What is that? Huh? The cow startle you, huh? That cow scare you? That cow scare you? Girl. Good girl. Some water. Alright guys, just got done with the walk about 3 minutes ago and the rain has started hitting the roof. Let's see if we get anything significant rain, which I know we should have about 3 hours of shower. Hello. Bye-bye. Weatherproof in the tray. Banners and polka dots all day, guys. Hello.